So I've just been sitting here using the structure as a frame. Some nice leading lines in the shadows, and just waiting for some good silhouettes to come through. And you can see the Empire in the background, so pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Leading lines, light and shadow. Hello. So sitting here, the sun is blinding me, of course. Maybe way around and see if any nice sunset action happens. Spin you around real quick. This is my view at the moment, and this is what I have rigged up from my tripod. I have a microfiber cloth and my camera is precariously balancing to try and keep it level. And I'm just going across, kind of across something like this area. It's really bad, I know, but yeah. And got my filter on and a bit of polarizing happening, and yeah. Chrysler building pretty much in the middle of the frame. Some people down on the water's edge. I like the two white seats. I don't know what they are, sculptures, whatever. So yeah, that's what we're at. See, there's a bit of light catching the buildings from the sun coming over here now too, so. Doesn't look great on the camera, but it might look better when I get it back and have a look at it on the laptop. And not a cloud in the sky. Playing around this scene here. It's a bit empty over here on the right hand side, but I have the filter on and the polarizer. And of course I didn't bring my tripod because I was in work this morning, and I was like, just didn't get it. I wish I had have, but I didn't. Let's see if we can get this boat in here. Some boats and stuff have come through, but they've been right on the horizon line, so they've been lost. I need something to come in and fill this space on the right, but oh well.